Social Security for divorced seniors. If you are over 55 and you have ever been divorced, please don't scroll away. This is not bad news, and this is not sales. It's quiet information that many Americans never receive. Information that can affect your monthly income for the rest of your life. Every year, millions of divorced seniors receive Social Security checks that are lower than what the law allows. Not because they failed, not because they missed a deadline, but because no one sat down and explained the rules slowly. Some people find out too late, at 70, at 75. They say, "I wish someone had told me sooner." This video exists for that reason. Stay with me, especially through these first minutes, because clarity now is better than regret later. Let me tell you what this video is, and what it is not. It is not about fear. It is not about urgency. It is about understanding Social Security rules for divorced Americans over 55. We will talk about eligibility timing, common misunderstandings, and real-life situations. We will repeat important points, on purpose, because repetition creates confidence. Nothing here requires quick decisions. Nothing here requires pressure. Think of this video as a calm conversation you can return to. Let's begin at the foundation. What divorced benefits really are. Social Security has special rules for divorced individuals. If you were married for at least 10 years, you may be eligible to receive benefits based on your ex-spouse's work history. Even if the divorce happened long ago, your ex remarried, you no longer communicate. This benefit exists because many people supported a household in different ways. Some earned wages, some raised children, some did both. Social Security recognizes that. Let me say something very important again. Your benefit does not reduce your ex-spouse's check, reduce their current spouse's check, take money away from anyone. This is not a shared pie. Age, timing, and reductions. Age matters. You can begin claiming as early as 62. But earlier claiming means lower monthly payments. And those reductions are usually permanent. Waiting until full retirement age often results in a higher benefit. Sometimes waiting feels uncomfortable. Sometimes it feels safer to start early. There is no shame in either choice. The key is understanding the trade-off. Ask yourself quietly, do I need income now, or can I wait? There is no perfect answer, only an informed one. Common and costly mistakes. Let's talk about mistakes, not to blame, but to protect. Mistake 1. Believing divorce erased eligibility. It did not. Mistake 2. Thinking your ex must apply first. If you've been divorced at least 2 years, they usually don't. Mistake 3. Claiming without asking questions. Mistake 4. Forgetting survivor benefits exist. These mistakes happen quietly, and they compound over time. Month after month, year after year. Survivor benefits. Explained if your ex-spouse has passed away. This section is very important. Survivor benefits follow different rules. They may be available earlier, be higher, allow more flexibility. Some people qualify at age 60. Survivor benefits deserve special attention. Do not assume they are the same. They are not. Real-life scenarios. Let's talk about people like you. People who worked, people who raised families, people who divorced quietly. Susan, Michael, Linda. Different stories, same confusion. When the rules are explained slowly, options appear. And with options comes calm. Step-by-step action plan. Here is a calm approach. Step 1. Confirm marriage length. Step 2. Estimate your benefit. Step 3. Compare options. Step 4. Write questions down. Step 5. Contact Social Security when you feel ready. No rush. This is your timeline. To support you, I've created a free professional checklist for Americans over 55. It summarizes everything calmly. You can download it using the link in the description. No cost. No pressure. Just clarity. FAQ plus reassurance. Can my ex stop me? No. Can I change later? Sometimes. Is this taxable? It depends. Is confusion normal? Yes. You are not behind. You are right on time. Let's gently review. Divorce does not erase your rights. Understanding creates calm. Calm leads to better decisions. This video is for educational purposes only. Always check with a professional if you need personal advice. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care, and take things one step at a time.